Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, my software is showing me that there's going to be a scalp sell signal soon. So I'm going to take a 9 lot buy. Today is the 28th of July 2023. 1 second, and there you go. I'll set my take profits. Okay, there you go. All right, so we started this account with $250. We've made about $10,000 withdrawal. I posted that video, and also how you can copy my trades. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, you want to connect to my account, sign up in Miracle Markets, the broker that I use, link in description below. You see how crazy the market has been going. I didn't want to take any trades, and yeah, I just had to take this scalp trade very quickly. If you want to copy my trades, you want to connect to my account, sign up in Miracle Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. And if you want to test the software for free for 2 weeks, that tells me when to buy, where to scalp, where to exit my trade, automatically does all my trades analysis for me. We're moving into more profits. Okay, that automatically does all my analysis for me. If you want to test it for 2 weeks, sign up with Miracle Markets. Okay, there you go. Take profits hits. Yes, $200 sharp on the dot, scalping in less than 5 minutes, and that's how scalping is done. The software tells me when to buy, when to sell, where to exit. If you want to test it, sign up in Miracle Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious about testing the software, and send me proof of WhatsApp and Telegram also. For those who want to copy trades also, I will upload a video for my withdrawal. In that video also, I'll show you how to copy my trades also, step by step. But if you want to ask me directly, just send me proof of your account, and then I'll give you instructions. So I've made $10,000 withdrawal. The video will be uploaded soon. On this account, we've been trading free with the market's money, and yeah, we've made $44,000 profit so far. So good. So yeah, remember to make a comment if you have any question, or just for the algorithm so we can get more people subscribed. And remember to click all the notification bells on so that you don't miss any videos. You can also join me on my live streams where I give free signals every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during the New York session and analysis. And yeah, you can join me there, drop whatever pairs you want, and we'll do signal analysis on that pair. With that being said, we'll be right back with another video with more profits soon. Like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells, and stay tuned for the next video.